Hi again. Thank you for choosing this course. Like you already know, I have several years of experience with C# and I'm going to teach you the same way that I was taught. So let me get into more details about what you are going to learn in the course. We are going to start from square one. I will show you how to download, install Visual Studio and create a project. We are going to go ahead and create the most famous program in the world, the Hello World program. And right after that, we have two bonus videos where I will show you a lot of useful shortcuts in Visual Studio that will help you write and edit your code faster. In the second video, I will give you some basic quality code tips, and as you probably already know, writing quality code is crucial, so it's better for you to know some high quality tips right off the bat. Then we're going to talk about variables, data types, converting one type into another, and how to debug your code. We're going to move on to the console, which is an inseparable part of this course. Everything that we do, we will do it in the console. Next ahead is the flow control of your code. That is how your code is going to be executed. Will it be straight execution? Should some parts of your code be skipped under given circumstances? Should some parts of your code be re-executed? We're going to learn all of that. This is where we will start writing more interesting programs. And from here on, in each of the following sections, we're going to learn a little more about something else in C#, like arrays, lists, methods, and strings. At the end of each section, you will find a short quiz of 3 to 6 questions that will test you for the tricky parts of the given section. You will also find the files with the code that I have written in the lectures in that section, and you will find the exercises that you should try to solve on your own. By the end of the course, you will feel very comfortable and confident about working with all of the basics in C# and in any language actually. The basics are the same everywhere. The difference is only in the syntax. At this point, you will know everything that you need to know to be able to start learning object-oriented programming and move on to more complex programs. One last thing. Everyone likes to listen at different rates. So if at any point you feel that I am talking too slow for you or too fast, you can use this option right here in the Udemy video player to speed up or slow down the lecture. Let's go and write some code.